Hello everybody and welcome back to my kitchen. How are you? Alright, whatever. Today we are making some spaghetti and meatballs. Essentially Lady and the Tramp vibes. Delicious spaghetti and meatballs. My aunt's recipe, I love it. It is my favorite. Alright, cool. So let's just jump in and show you what you need. So what you need is 250 grams of minced pork, 250 grams of minced beef, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, 1 clove of garlic finely minced, a tablespoon of oregano, 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, and then you need a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. So this is what we do. Oh right, yeah, I'm using ostrich mince instead of beef mince. Thank you for reminding me. Yeah, because I like ostrich mince, and this should work with ostrich mince anyways. Cool. So what we do, your beef and your mince and your pork and your ostrich, you just throw everything in there. All getting in. Nice. Gotta break up my salt a bit. Salt. Then alright, and when you got in one big bowl, that's it. That's your meatball. Done. Dusted. I'm joking. And you've got your tray. You've got your meatball, and you just grab it and you make lots of little meatballs, as big as you want really. They can be this big or they can be half that size. So you just make sure that everything is nicely mixed, and then you make your meatballs and put them on a tray. Alright, now that those are done and rolled and dusted, and we're going to put them in the fridge. Now we're going to do the sauce. What you need is a tablespoon of butter, a tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of oregano. Should be dried, but I don't have dried oregano, so that's what's happening. 2 cloves of garlic chopped, an onion chopped, and 700 grams of passata. That doesn't seem right. It is. Of passata sauce. And then just a pinch of sugar and 100 mils of milk, full cream, and salt and pepper. So let's get a mason jar, and we're going to put in our garlic and onion. It's all over the counter, just perfect. That's the way we like it. And then you throw in your oregano. There it goes, baby. Okay, and now we go over this way, and then you just blitz it. My eyes. Right now that that's blitz, we're going to grab some things. We're going to go this way. I'm sorry. Okay, so what we do is we throw in our butter. Satisfying. Throw in your oil. Less satisfying. Turn on the heat and melt it. Which spoon do I want? This spoon is the one I want. Alright, when that's melted, you throw in your onion mix. And you cook that over a low heat. We're going to move to another burner. Cook it over a low heat until it turns transparent. Alright, I think it's good now. Okay, so it's starting to turn translucent. Now what we do is add our passata sauce. Add our passata. And 1 cup, God, I'm gonna spill it everywhere. 1 cup of cold water. Alright, and we season it. So that means some sugar. Where are the teaspoons? Found one. Some sugar. Some salt. And some pepper. And then you leave it to simmer for for 10 minutes to simmer. Okay, cool. See ya in 10 minutes. Alright, we're back. I don't know what's filming. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, now we add our milk. We pour it into this bubble, boil and trouble thing going on here. Steady. Nice and creamy. Oh, look at it. Alright, and we're dropping our meatballs. Boop. And the last one. And you cook it for 20 minutes. Check your seasoning and then it should be done. And you just serve the sauce and your meatballs with some pasta. Let's let it cook. See you in a little bit again. Haha. Cheerio. Alright, it's all done, dusted, and delicious. Isn't it pretty? It's not pretty. It's spaghetti and meatballs. And it's so good. Okay, apparently I need to put some parmesan on top. Apparently that wasn't enough. There we go. Now it's done. Alright, cool. Well, I'm gonna give it a little taste because it should be delicious. Oopsies. Nothing happened. Oh, yum. So good. Let's try a meatball. Boobs. That was this video and this recipe for Lady and the Tramp style meatballs. Delicious, tasty, and wonderful. Okay, if you like this video, leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of it down in the comments section below, especially if you try this recipe. Do let me know what you think of it. I think it's delicious. It's honestly one of my favorite recipes ever. I love it. Alright, and if you would like to support me on this channel, then please subscribe. Have a wonderful day and I will see you in the next video.